Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate milkshake without a microwave. It's a very easy recipe. So you need some sugar, cocoa powder, and you need the shaker, cold stone. You get it if you go to a shop. Milk, some amount of milk, and a strainer. And this is a very easy process. Just look at this process to get to know more about it. So now, first of all, you need to take. You need to strain the milk and you need to pour it into the shaker bottle. Like after pouring this much, you feel that it's not enough for you. You need to take more water with the strainer here. And then I have put all my milk into the strainer and I just passed through the milk. And then I'm going to put all of this into this. So now you feel that the milk is enough now. Yeah, so the milk is enough right now. So you need to first of all take sugar. Sugar is a very it's a substance which gives like sweetness to your dish. So I'm putting little because it will fall off if I put more. So I put 6 little quarter pieces. You've seen I put 6 times. And then you're going to pour a little bit of milk because it's more. And then you're going to mix it. You should mix it closed or else it's going to get spilled. Like this. Just hold it like this and then mix it, okay? And after mixing, you get it like this, something like this. And then you are gonna. Now I have mixed this with the sugar, and then I took the cocoa powder of the brand Bigfield. So I'm gonna show you that how it's a cost of only 60 rupees. So this is the bottle. You can get it in any supermarket you go. So now first of all, it's a new packet. So I'm gonna take a knife and cut off the part and like tear it. I love doing this chocolate milkshake. It's actually a very tasty recipe. Now I have opened this. I need to open it fully. And then I need to take a spoon like this. And then I need to pour a little bit of it into this. I have poured half cup, 1.5 cups of it. It's a very easy process for a recipe. See here, now what I have done is I have put already the amount and then I'm going to put it properly in like this and then I'm going to shake it like this. So this, there should be nothing spilling down from this thing and you need to remove the patch. Normally there comes many patches in this, but you need to try to remove it because your cocoa powder will be waste if you do this. And then you need to close it very quickly because it leaks up very fast. And then you could have a cold stone like mixture which is very tasty. Okay, if you like the video, please make sure to give a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave your comments below. Let me know what chocolate milkshakes you make, and if you feel that this is good, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel and share my videos to others so that they also get to know all these recipes. And I'm really thank you. Bye bye.